Welcome to Under the Microscope. This series is brought to you by the Real Scientists Nano team. Our goal is to provide a platform where scientists can communicate their work and interact with the public. With that in mind, every week we introduce you to a scientist working in the field of materials and nanoscience. Hi everyone, today we have with us Poornima Peiris, who is a student at the Nanotechnology and Bioengineering Department at Harvard University. Hi Poornima, welcome to Real Sci Nano.
Hi, it's nice to give me the opportunity to speak with you today.
Yeah, well, looking forward to speaking with you. Okay, could you explain your research in super simple words for us, please?
Okay. Well, I can't actually go into too much in depth because of funding research reasons and because of publishing, which is kind of unfortunate.
Right.
Yeah, I'm currently working with the nanophotonics group
Okay.
at Harvard, and we kind of study the absorption of nanomaterials in the in a specific range where we can use multispectral analysis that's different from using a RGB type of camera. So in this case, you can analyze a wide range of things that has various applications in terms of precision medicine, agriculture, and right now I'm specifically focusing on a mining project, so that we are trying to develop a state-of-the-art a camera slash sensor that can be automated for a specific mining application.
Okay, well, that sounds super interesting.
I don't know if I simplified it enough, but I tried.
You can simplify it while you're curating the Real Sci Nano Twitter account. That brings me to my next question, which is, what can the followers expect in the week that you will be curating?
Yeah, actually, so I want to also touch upon like my experience as a woman in science specifically. And I also come from a first generation college student background because neither of my parents have been to college. And I think that kind of plays really an important part in people who goes into the sciences who doesn't have that, that kind of mentorship from beforehand. And that was kind of really important to me, specifically finding mentors along the way, how they can help me with my journey, specifically, through the jungle of science, if you want to say. Yeah, so I guess also like, I also wanted them to introduce them to my field in terms of nanophotonics because what I realized is actually there's not much women in this field and that area. So, trying to be more inclusive about that and see how we can get more women into that field as well. Yeah.
Okay, that's really cool. So, in addition to your science, you would also be touching upon the scientific experience
Yeah,
as
exactly.
first gen student.
Yeah, just trying to give like roundabout about science and things like that.
Okay, wonderful. That sounds excellent. All right, we are looking forward to your curation of Real Sci Nano, and thank you for speaking with us.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you for listening. To know more about us, please visit our website realscientistsnano.org and follow us on Twitter at realsci_nano.